All right, so let's see what I got for, I think I spent $60.
$60.
Yep.
Savannah did a little Saturday run through this morning, get us a little light restock on things to list and push out the door, and she's just gonna go over them for you.
Yeah, I know $60 might sound like a lot, but hopefully this covers everything. I see only one, I don't see many posted. This is Catherine Ohm, Norway. It's an enamel mid-century modern lotus fondue pot. I see one on a blue shade. It sold for $75.
We'll place that comp on the screen.
Yes. There we go.
All right.
This, I haven't found any posted yet, but I do see one that sold for $150.
Oh, wow.
So this was about $7.
That's awesome.
Yeah, so that was 5, that was 7. This was 75 cents.
That's so cool.
That's pretty. This was 75 cents. A little tchotchke tray.
That's beautiful.
Put your ring on it before you shower. Got this for $1.
Hey, Savannah loves chickens.
And this
Don't know, you
chicken
will soon.
has some serious brows.
Brows and chickens.
Made in Brazil. Let me see. This was 75 cents. It's a nice bud vase. Hobnail glass. It's not marked anything, Fenton or anything, so I don't know who made it.
Wow.
This.
What do you think this is?
Some native pottery. I do see some with the gold lines. I want to look and see if I can find this specifically, but I see some posted for 100. I haven't looked at comps yet, so
Looks really
this was
cool.
just a quick pickup. Hopefully it sells. Ugh. I definitely could have comped more on that, but this was 75 cents. So there we go.
Cool.
I got these little guys. They're 25 cents each. You know, these ones, I don't know what they'll go for, but they were 25 cents. They're Avon from the 80s, I think. Let me see. 1985.
So if your mom just misses her little figurines from the 80s, check out our eBay store.
Little tea candle holders. I got this corksicle.
It's really cool.
And this peeler for me. That was $1.99. This is just for me. I like how this.
I like
Yeah.
that.
I like how that
Mary.
handles better than that smaller handle.
Yeah.
That starts hurting the hand. Oh, I got this notebook for me. It was
a
a
really nice
75
pattern.
cent. Yeah. It's got little dots on it.
Savannah's gonna put all her master plans in there to kill the
right.
reselling game.
I'm gonna plot on them. I gotta clean this up, but it's a liar. There we go. It's signed on the bottom.
Let me get a nice little zoom in there for you guys. There we go.
Right there, you see it?
Yep.
Ooh.
Well,
It's
if anything,
there
we'll write the name, guys. It just might be the lighting.
Yeah.
And if you know what any of these things are, especially the unmarked one, please leave a comment down below. We'd love to hear from it. You.
I got this for probably me, unless by some miracle it comps really well.
Yep.
But that was 75 cents. I got this vase. I don't know how much that was. Maybe $2, I think it was.
$2.
Yeah.
Now, most of this is from Goodwill, but a few of these items also came from a yard sale Savannah stopped at this morning. This needs no
comps.
introduction.
Yeah, Cocoa Melon. It comes for, I see a bunch for 20, but I don't know. I got to see if they're used or not, because this tag's a little jankety. So hopefully 15.
Hopefully.
I got this. I'm so adored. I actually saw the egg soap that's supposed to go in it. I didn't know it went with it, but that was there. For some reason, it was all taken out and separated. But that goes in that box. A nesting hen.
How cool is this box, guys?
I like the box.
Flip it around too, so we get the whole vibe. There. Oh,
it
never mind.
says like 70s. I think this is from 73. Yeah, 1973.
It's really cool.
That's so cute. These are Wedgwood. These are, what's the year? So these are an antique now, right?
Oh, wow.
These are antique Wedgwood, 1922.
Yeah. Yeah.
Look at
That's
that.
pretty cool.
Floral Wedgwood. Maybe I should have got the other ones. There we go. That doesn't count for much, but I got that.
She's here.
And this really nice apothecary jar. Just got to clean it up.
And Savannah believes this is also hand blown. You want to tell them why?
Well, I'm not really sure, but I think I see this, like there's a lot of, you could see little bubbles here and there. It's not like perfect like it came out of like a machine made. And see, that's all uneven.
That's nice. Showing the seam. Oh, yeah, that's a thick one.
Thick seam. There's a seam there. If there's a seam, then that's from a mold, probably. I don't know.
We'll see.
I don't make glass. There we go.
This is a really cool one.
This is so cute. A little turtle candle. Very 70s. It's a fresh garden spice.
Nothing says I love you like an Avon turtle candle, so be sure to click the link in the description.
So crazy. They're making things now that look like this. Maybe I should have looked through more of these boxes.
Yeah, baby, these look so cool.
Yeah, this is really cute.
They look really cool.
I love this. This is adorable.
Boom. Did it smell like anything?
Yeah.
I'm sure it's old.
It smells like garden spice.
Yeah, it actually doesn't smell too bad,
Yeah,
guys.
it's not bad at all.
It's really cool.
Garden spice. And let me see. Oh, that silver stuff.
And you totally passed by your candle, too.
That's mine.
Yeah, this is Savannah. She couldn't resist. And it looks really cool. Brand new in box, too. Great, great deal.
Very cute. And then I got this.
Last but not least.
This was another pricey one. $7. But this is silver against cardboard. Will scratch. Please use tissue paper. Oh, wow.
Oh.
There's not tissue paper on here. Casnovia? It's Genesis 1124. It looks like it's for a wedding or anniversary. Probably wedding. It says, and they shall be one.
That's cool.
So that's really cute.
It's very cool.
That's an Amazon. So, yeah.
So, what would you say was your favorite find for the day?
Oh, that. I
So
just
this
got
is
real high.
Savannah's
I got
favorite.
so excited. Just because I automatically knew, like, oh, there's money. Okay.
Yep.
Got it.
We'll also put past comps we've sold of this particular brand that Savannah found in another thrift store in our area. I would say my favorite find is probably this camera, because it'll be the easiest to post and hopefully have a good comp. Oh, you didn't go over the sunglasses.
I didn't. Oh, I got these. They're, what are they called? Hold on. It says Costa Del Mar. They comp pretty well. It's just, these are used and there's some scratches, but I'm gonna look up the style and see if it's a good one to sell. So hopefully we'll get something out of it.
Perfect. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please put any comments as far as items that you may be familiar with, and see you in the next one.